What's going on, guys? Back with another video. In this video we're going to be going over the shipping settings and how to set all those up, okay, so that you're charging shipping, of course. So if you don't know how to get to it, it's settings in the bottom left hand corner. Click shipping, and first and foremost what you want to do before anything is scroll down to packages where it says saved packages. What you want to do is make sure that this is set to 0, okay? So they will have some random numbers in it, and you can just set all those to 1, but make sure that this is 0, because if not, what it's going to do is it's going to throw off all of your shipping settings that you actually set up, okay? So once you've done that, you're pretty much good to set things up. Now, obviously, we're based in the UK. It's defaulted our shipping setting to UK and obviously to the rest of the world. And what we can do is we can actually add in separate shipping amounts to different countries if you wanted to. So if you wanted to do, say, for example, United States, you can add countries. And if we scroll down to United States, or just North America for that example, you know, you can click that if you want to. So I'll just click United States, and you can set a separate one for Canada if you really want. If they're all going to be the same, again, we are going to be selling to United States primarily, of course, and you know, Canada is another big country where you know, big conversions can happen as well. So United States as well, we can add that in. Click that one there, and again, you can do your price-based rates or weight-based rates. So price-based rates is basically if a product costs X amount at the point of checkout, then Shopify will charge you whatever you set this to. So you know, whatever it may be. So I like to use this as like a free, you know, spend over $40 get, you know, free shipping. So you can put something on there, you know, free shipping over 40 quid. So if you put in there 40 and put it as free, so what that mean now is if someone spends over 40 quid, so 40 quid and up, it's going to charge you on free shipping. Weight based is basically goes off weight, okay? So you set the weights, and then what you can do is when you actually add products in, which will I'll try and show really briefly, is, you know, that's what it's going to pull things off. So if we just call this, say, standard shipping and 0. The first one I like to do is, of course, is a free shipping rate for people. So say, for example, you're selling a product which is $29.99 and you didn't want to add any additional shipping. You just make sure that the product weight was you know, 0 or 0.1, and then the customer wouldn't get charged any additional shipping. So then again, I'll need to edit that and call that free shipping. Done. Okay, and we want to add another one, so this one can be standard now. Zero, so we want this one to be 0.2 to 0.4. And shipping amounts, I generally like to do a nice fair amount, you know, not too much that is you know, that will make a lot of people abandon cart, and not too less, so that you can actually add additional a bit onto your margins. So, you know, sort of like the $3.99, $4.95, you know, $2.99 if you wanted to. So anything, I always like to charge at least $3 if I'm selling something at retail, and then just make the price of your product, you know, something to match that if you wanted a whole round number, which I'll show you. But for the sake of this one, let's just call it $3.99, okay? And let's just add another rate again. Standard shipping. This one's going to have to be 0.5, I think, to 0.9, and let's just say it's 5.95 because we're going up in weight now. And the last one can just be from like 1 to 25, and I'll just put in standard shipping again. This one can just be 9.99. Click cancelled on that, no problem. 9.99. That's one, and that is standard shipping. Okay, so you can see we've done that up for there. Make sure, obviously, of course, you click save. No need to add any calculated rates. Click save, and if we go back to our shipping now, you can see the rates that we set up for United States. Now you can just copy these and put those in whichever country you're in, and again you can copy them for the rest of the world as well. But as for the case of these sorts of things and it matching, if we go to products and we just add a product, I'm going to show you a lot more this in a lot of detail, but this is just for the shipping rates. So if we just make up a title, make up that, there you put your price in. So say for example we were charging $29.99 for this one, okay, and we didn't want to charge any more shipping. Remember, our shipping was 0 to 0.1 for free shipping, so we'd make sure that that was that. So if we click save, then of course we've got a product, and if we click view on the store, again we've not set this all up as of yet, which we'll be going into, but if I add it to the cart, and checkout's locked, but basically it won't show any more shipping, you see, because of course we've added the correct shipping rate. And again, if you wanted to charge people that additional charge, then we could obviously set this price to, say for example, $2.99, and then have that as 0.2, and then click save, so that people do get charged that shipping rate. So I hope that makes sense. What you want to do obviously is make sure that you view it on the store and mess about with it on the actual store, so that you can see it adding stuff in as well. So I hope this has been helpful, and we'll jump into the next video. So yeah, stay tuned, let's keep it moving.